If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Amazon Prime, this guide will help you navigate the process easily. Follow these steps to cancel your subscription and avoid future charges. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account that has the Prime subscription. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Prime membership. In the account settings, find and click on Prime membership to view your subscription details. This section will show you your current membership status and renewal date. Step 4. Cancel your membership. Look for the option that says End Membership or Cancel Membership. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback on why you are cancelling. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop recurring charges on Amazon Prime. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support.